In this video, I will guide you how you can merge shapes in PowerPoint. First, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar. Click on the shapes and pick the shapes you want to draw. For example, I'm selecting this heart shape. And now again go to the insert and pick the shapes. And now this time you can pick this arrow and draw like this. And now hold the shift key and select the both shapes. And now on the pick shape format on the right top menu bar, you can see that there is a merge shapes on the left side and you need to click on the union. And now you can easily move the both shapes and even you can change the color. These are the pre-built designs. And if you want to insert again another shapes, click on that and you can select any other shape. And now you can use this orange dot to drag and resize it. And now again select the shapes and go to the shape formats and again click on the merge shapes and click on union. And now you can move all three shapes in the slide and even you can resize it. So in this way you can easily merge shapes in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.